Let's talk a little bit about intermittent fasting. I'm Dr. Carolina Melgar, I'm a cardiologist, and I want to help you improve your health with science and common sense. People who fast intermittently often eat within an 8-hour block, leaving 16 hours of fasting in between. During that 16-hour stretch, their bodies undergo an important change that sets them apart from the rest. Here's how it works. You eat, you store some of that energy in the form of glycogen in the liver. But after 10 or 12 hours of not eating, glycogen reserves will be pretty low. That's when you can start to feel more irritable than normal. I know I do. The upside is that with little glycogen left, all those fat cells in your body starts to release to the bloodstream, those fat cells. And all that fat goes straight to your liver, where it's turned into energy for your body and your brain. That means you start burning fat. Blood samples show that people who fasted from 12 to 24 hours experience 60% increase in energy from fat. This is the benefit of intermittent fasting because it puts you in a state called ketosis. And this is why researchers think that intermittent fasting could be the key to a longer and healthier life. Take a look at this. The process of burning fat releases chemicals called ketones in the brain. And ketones trigger the release of an important molecule called BDNF that helps build and strengthen neurons and neural connections in areas of the brain responsible for learning and memory. So this can explain why a diet that helps boosting ketone production has been shown to improve memory in people with early signs of dementia. This is also a treatment for patients with severe epilepsy. Now, you don't necessarily have to fast to boost your ketone levels. You can just introduce more fatty foods into your diet and cutting back on some carbs, and this all can have a similar effect. Actually, fasting has proven to increase ketones much more than ketogenic diets. That's why it can have a stronger and more beneficial effect on overall health. Keep in mind that if you're eating 3 meals a day with snacks in between, you never reach ketosis, and you're not producing enough ketones to enjoy these benefits. Now, fasting and ketosis have been key to our survival from the beginning, and it helped our ancient ancestors survive through bouts of starvation. And today, we're starting to recognize this as a way to help future generations stay mentally and physically disease-free. So try that and let me know how it goes.